Hi, this is Risa. Welcome to my kit review series. Here's a sneak peek of the satin ribbon embroidery kit that I just completed and that I'll be reviewing today. I bought this kit from the shop Miss Konvalia on Etsy, the link for which is provided below. Satin ribbons are more easily available in the market than silk ribbons and tremendously cheaper, so I thought it would be a nice contrast to the silk ribbon videos I've uploaded so far. The kit includes an 8-inch wooden hoop of good quality which you can use to embroider the piece and then to display the completed piece later. Now let's take out the rest of what's in the kit. It includes all of the satin ribbons of different widths that you will need to complete the piece. Now I'll be going through this in much more detail in my stitch along video which accompany my kit reviews. Now I find satin ribbons to be coarser and thicker than silk ribbons naturally, and they have a glossy and non-glossy side. You can find satin ribbons in the market that have both sides glossy. I find them easier to use during ribbon embroidery to make sure you're always using the glossy side when you're embroidering. The kit, however, is using ribbons that are glossy on only one side. They're generally more economical in the market. Now these are all the ribbons in the kit, beautiful colors. Let's put it aside and see what else is included. We have 2 chenille needles, one larger one which I assume would be a number 18 and a smaller one which would be number 24. It's not labeled. Then the kit also includes the fabric with the pattern or the picture of the embroidery piece printed on it. I like the quality of the digital print. It's not thick like an iron-on pattern with some of the other kits that I've reviewed for silk ribbon embroidery, so that's useful. It includes some thread and floss, some backing, a felt backing, which is useful to finish the product. Then we have the instructions. It starts with a list of materials that are included in the kit, which you can use as a reference to see that you have everything. And now let's see what else it includes. Instructions on how to start and end ribbon stitches, some basic stitches like ribbon stitch and others, French knots for example. And it also includes some close-up images of how to make the center of the daffodil, and it also includes instructions on how to form the other flowers in the kit. And finally it ends with instructions on how to finish off your embroidery piece. So there we have it. That is pretty much what's included in the kit. In addition to the cover picture of the kit, which you can use as a reference, it includes a reference guide of the different sizes of ribbons and colors of ribbons that you will use to embroider the piece. Here's the completed piece that I worked on. You can watch the stitch along video that accompanies all of my kit reviews by clicking on the link above. You can subscribe to my channel anytime by clicking on the watermark in the bottom left of all of my videos. Here are 2 similar satin ribbon embroidery kits that I completed and bought from the same shop on Etsy that you may be interested in. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found my kit review useful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like and notification button to keep track of new videos that I'll upload. Bye bye.